The Brooky Parabolic SAR Levels Indicator, which is a highly effective and incredibly useful tool available for various trading platforms on the comprehensive TradingFinder website, can be easily downloaded by diligent traders directly from the indicator's dedicated page. Additionally, to gain a thorough understanding of precisely how this powerful indicator functions and to learn the most optimal ways to effectively utilize it in your trading strategies, you are strongly encouraged to carefully read this detailed and informative article. From the clearly labeled navigation section, you should carefully select the specific indicator file, and by thoughtfully opening the downloaded file, you can then seamlessly add it to your preferred trading chart. Once this sophisticated indicator is successfully loaded and properly displayed onto your trading chart, we can then immediately begin the crucial process of identifying and clearly displaying the significant support and resistance levels directly on the chart. Based on these critically important levels and the subsequent price reactions observed, we can accurately determine whether it is most advantageous to enter a buy trade or a sell trade within the dynamic market environment. The Brooky Parabolic SAR Levels Indicator is indeed a very special and exceptionally practical analytical tool that, by intelligently utilizing the standard Parabolic SAR indicator, distinctly displays the crucial support levels in a clear blue color and the equally important resistance levels in a prominent orange color directly on the chart. Based on these precisely identified levels, we are then able to confidently set highly strategic limit orders or protective stop orders. For instance, consider this example. Here, a significant resistance level has been clearly identified at a specific price point where a sell order can be strategically placed just below this identified level and a buy stop order can be positioned just above the same level. This strategic placement ensures that if the price reaches these predetermined points, our order is automatically triggered, and we either enter a profitable sell position or, if the resistance level is decisively broken, we then enter a potentially lucrative buy position. Similarly, a crucial support level has been clearly identified below, with the current price prominently shown here. We can strategically set a buy limit order just above this support level and a sell stop order just below this level. This setup ensures that if the price reaches either of these carefully placed orders, we will then enter a favorable buy position, or if the support level is decisively broken, we will then enter a strategic sell position in the market. In the Comprehensive Settings section, specifically under the Input tab, there are several highly customizable and very useful options readily available for your adjustment. In the very first input field, you have the ability to precisely specify the maximum number of historical candles in the past that the chart will meticulously analyze in order to accurately identify significant price pivots, which by default is conveniently set to 200 candles. In the subsequent input field, you can precisely set the sensitivity of this powerful indicator. The lower this specific value, the larger and more significant the price steps considered will be, and conversely, the higher the value, the smaller and more minor price steps are meticulously identified. In the following input field, you can precisely set the maximum size of the indicator's movement steps, which is also carefully considered in the detailed analysis, and by intelligently using this particular parameter, you can effectively limit the previous parameter so that the movement is performed only up to the specified maximum amount. In the next input field, you can precisely specify the exact number of support and resistance levels that you wish to be prominently displayed, which can be conveniently set from a minimum of 1 to a maximum of 5 levels. In the following input field, you can precisely set the desired size of the price labels, which by default is conveniently set to 2. Finally, in the last two important parameters, you have the flexibility to change the color of both the support and resistance levels to your own preferred and aesthetically pleasing colors. This comprehensive explanation brings us to the very end of this detailed and informative indicator tutorial, SARs. We would be incredibly happy and truly appreciate it if you would kindly share your valuable comments and insightful suggestions with us in the dedicated comments section below.